How do I sell myself publicly? What can I talk about in my post as a fresh virtual assistant graduate? How can I talk about my journey? How can I sell my services? And how can I build up myself in public? These are daily questions I keep getting from virtual assistants who are just graduating and they are trying to start their career journey. And that is why I've created this video with a full walkthrough of how you can start talking about your journey on the social media platform, being LinkedIn, Facebook, or TikTok, or whatever social media platform you want to show. This video is going to be a guide for you, and I believe it's going to really, really help you as well. Also, in this video, I'll be sharing a 30 days content calendar that you can use as a template to get started. This content calendar is going to give you an idea about what you can post about as a virtual assistant, what you can talk about as a virtual assistant, and I believe you are going to really, really benefit from this. First and foremost, as a virtual assistant, when you started your journey, it is important to always document the process. And that is what is needed. It is very, very important. And when you document the process, you start talking about it. You can start by talking about it from your email confirmation. You can screenshot it, post it on your LinkedIn, on your Facebook. Hey friends, I just want to inform you I got admitted into this program by so organization. I'm looking forward to learn and just create excitement about what you are starting. Yes, you may think how relevant is this? Yes, there are people that are watching you, they are just looking at you. They are looking at what you're doing. They may not even engage on your post, but they're just trying to see who you are. Are you trustworthy? Let me tell you one of my breakthrough recently. And before I talk about that, yes, I want to talk about this hiring update. There is an organization that is currently looking for social media manager. They want somebody to help them manage their LinkedIn page. It's a community, LinkedIn page and Instagram page. If you're looking for an opportunity to volunteer as a LinkedIn page manager or Instagram page manager, you can actually send me a direct message or a connection request on LinkedIn and let's talk about it. And I'm going to show you the next step for you to take. Back to my story, I want to share a recent breakthrough with you when it comes to posting. A lot of people used to think that when they post on social media and they don't have engagement on it, maybe nobody likes or comments, they feel that if the post is not doing anything, it's not getting anywhere. But trust me, people are actually looking at your post. When you go and check my LinkedIn post, I don't have a lot of engagement, but despite my busy schedule, I'm just trying to sell myself publicly because I am a freelancer, and as a freelancer, even if you have 10 clients, you have to keep selling yourself to get more clients, because there are times where some clients will tell you that no, I can't continue with this business and you have to go. So you don't have to prevent those dry season. You have to keep showing yourself. So I always talk about what I do and how I help busy founders. And look, behold, I talk about my new project, which is done for you project for busy founders. Some founders are trying to manage their income. They can handle the email and other things, but they need somebody to set it up for them. So I do that. I added that as my service. That okay, if you want it to be set up for you, I can do a done for you project. It could be like you want to set up your email CRM or other tools. So I'll help you to create it within a particular period of time and I'm done with you, then you pay me for my project. So I added that services. And most of the time my posts on LinkedIn get like maybe 5 likes, sometimes 8, sometimes no likes, sometimes 2, no even comment at all. And I kept on going. Then somebody reached out to me. This person is from Brazil. She was a marketer in an organization, and she was like, she wanted me to talk about one of their CRM tools. She said she liked my posts, she liked my content, that they are very interesting to her, and that is how I begin the journey with her. So this is what I'm trying to say. What I'm just trying to say is that don't wait until somebody comments or you have big engagements on your post. No, the real clients are studying your process. They are studying how you started. They are seeing your story as you are sharing it, and that is why I want to quickly share this with you. I'll be sharing my screen now, showing you how you can go about it, how you can create content about what you do as a virtual assistant. So look at the screen now. So as I was saying, as a virtual assistant, what you can post as a new virtual assistant, there are many. You can start documenting your journey, write it down, you can start talking about it. You can talk about your daily learning, your weekly learning, and what you have learned every day. Also, you can talk about a skills you're practicing, maybe like managing email, writing social media caption, even as well as some communication skills, emotional intelligence, and time management. You can talk about your wins, like the first work you do as a virtual assistant, even if it's just community projects or community works. Then you can also post about educational content like quick tips for productivity that can help to founders succeed, and also organizational skills that can help small business, that can help them to thrive. And also you can also even do a step-by-step tutorial just like this video that I'm doing now. You can talk about your connections, your story, what you were doing before you start your journey as a virtual assistant and why you decided to transition. And you can even talk about what lights you up about your work as a virtual assistant. And when you first launch your journey, what are those things that still inspire you to keep on going? You can talk about myths, about being a virtual assistant. You can also talk about your motivation motivational posts that inspire you and how it helps you in your career journey. So these are the weekly things you can focus on. For Monday, you can try to talk about learning moments from your week. Tuesday, you can talk about tool tip Tuesday, like you should always share your tools on Tuesday, maybe any tools that you've done. There are 1 million tools on this. You can talk about Google. When you go to Google Workspace, there are a lot of tools you can even talk about in Google Workspace. Talk about tools like Google Sheets, Google Form, Google Doc. We have not even talked about Google presentation slides and so many other tools under Google alone. Then that is Tuesday tool tip. Then you can talk about Storytime Wednesday. That will only be about your journey. You can talk about how to or tips for founders. You can talk about wins of the week or behind the scene, how you're building in silence and how you're showing up in public about what you're doing. Then Saturday can just be a soft call to action, invite to DM or ask a question. So that means you can direct that post to clients that they should ask you for questions, like if they want to know about your service, they can learn more, they can come to your DM, and those are good call to action that can help you find clients. Then on Sunday, you can always be about rest and reflection posts about the week or planning ahead of the week, some sort of like motivational post. So this is a 30 days content calendar for beginners use. I've created this and you can use it anyhow. You can mix them up, or you can even add your own. This is not just one-way traffic thing. It's something that you can use and use again. So it's not limited to what you're seeing here. So you can use it in many ways. So this one is week one, showing up as VA, and it's even having a 5-day post. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you already have the idea of what to say about. Intro post, who you are, what you do, why you choose the VA part. One tool you learn this week, your ideal client, explain, simplify, week win, plus one thing you're learning. You're done for the week. Then week two, you can talk about something that will boost your authority as a virtual assistant, like okay, answer your common questions, share your daily virtual assistant routine. What do you do every day, like a day in live video. Then always add soft call to action like DM me if you're looking for support with this and this. And also you can also show us behind the scene your deck setup or client workflow. You can tell us to share your client's workflow. That is if your clients have agreed, you and your clients have agreed on that. Then week three can be education and connecting, like mistake clients make without VA, time saving tips for business owner, how you help your client, question and answer section where you ask audience a VA related question. You can even create a pool on LinkedIn, a testimonial or a kind word even from a peer. You can share it as a post. Then week four, visibility and value. Myth about VAs you want to bust. Top three tools every business owner should use. You can also talk about what to say in a discovery call. Your story post can be like your growth as a virtual assistant. Then your call to action can be download your free virtual assistant DM template. That we are just trying to help people. We are not here to take a loan, and that is how to go about it. So this PDF will be available for you to download. If you need it, just comment done, then I'll share it with you. If you need this to guide you further, if you don't need it, you're okay. And thank you for watching my video so far. I hope they are valuable, they are full of lessons. I have one thing I'm sharing for free, that is dm request DM request and connection request. You can download it for free. I'll be adding that link to this post, so click on the link and download it. Then this particular PDF that I'm sharing in this video, if you want this PDF, I'm going to share it with you, but just comment done and I'll share it with you. And that is the end of our video for today. If you watch my video to this length, I'm so excited. Thank you so much for believing in me and for watching my videos to this end. And in the next video, I'll be sharing more story, more tips that can help you as a virtual assistant. So don't give up on your career journey. Don't say the journey is hard, you're going to stop. No, no, no. Keep going, keep getting stronger. And I'll see you at the top. Bye for now.